What's up guys, DUBB. So today is April 18 and it's around like 70 degrees today, kind of windy. Just came by to check on the bees and I see another swarm moving in. I'm not sure what the size is, and so far I got another swarm, and it seems like they go in these two boxes right here. Let me check the other side. And I also got some bees on this side. Not really sure where they're going to, so I'm just let them settle down a little bit first, and I'll come back and check on them shortly. And meanwhile, I'm gonna do a little work on my pergola that I'm putting up. Hopefully by the time I put up the other two posts, they'll be settled down. I can come and check on them and see how big the swarm is. I came back and take a look at see where they're going into, and it seems like there's a lot of bees out of this hive right here, and a lot of bees hang on top of here, and I realized there's a lot of dead bees down here. They were fighting. Not sure what's going on, so they probably went into the wrong box maybe, and it was a battle. They probably like a few hundred bees dead down here. What a shame, all these dead bees. So I'm gonna try to move this hive out of the way, and so this way they won't go into the wrong box. Went ahead and give them another box to go into, and so far it looks like pretty good size swarm. Yeah, so probably like a few thousand bees in there. So far it's a nice swarm. It seems like they fill up about 3/4 of the frames on this box right here, and it's still coming. Let me go and put the last frame back in there, this way I can cover it up. Well, at least they got a place to go on this side instead of trying to go into this box right here. Yeah, they got you this side too. And there's some dead bees on this side. Well, it's been a while since my last swarm caught, more like 3.5 weeks ago. So this will be number 5. Okay, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching and happy bee catching. And I'm gonna try to set up some more bait boxes to get some more, because well, this is only about the middle of April, so I got plenty of time left. Alright, catch you later. Bye.